Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Are you like me and have guns just stashed laying around everywhere? Maybe, maybe not, but that's our family. We do. We have guns stashed everywhere. And normally I do keep an AR-15 right here in the back corner. And it's not really so much self-defense, is we live on property. So coyotes, things like that, come onto the property at night. I got to be able to defend our livestock. So really, it's not even really for home defense. It's more property defense. I keep an AR in the back corner back there. Well, I found a new product that's going to let me hang it on the wall to kind of display my AR, keep it out of the corner, and keep Mrs. Skinny Medic happy. So this is a stealth gun mount here. It mounts on our M-lock rail right here. And then this also is going to lock into place right there. And then it kind of gives you that hand stop that if you're looking for, especially something like this little shorty AR right here, I don't want to touch the suppressor. So my hand stop there, it runs, and then there's just a little round knob that slides in right here. So super easy. So let's take a look at it. So this is your base plate right here that secures into an M-lock. I didn't want to put that on video just because YouTube's super funny about stuff. So this secures to M-lock. This is going to have a little piece that kind of locks into place here. You can hear it snap into place. So there, it locks into place and then has a set screw that's going to screw into right here. So like I said, I'm going to mount the AR right here on the wall and kind of hang out. We have two different options that come with the kit. You have like the little plastic screw that if you just want to screw it in the drywall, put that in and then screw your regular screw in. But if you can find the stud, boom, has a regular wood screw that we're going to put this metal knob into the wall right here, and that's going to let us hang our AR. So no dad jokes about the stud finder, I promise. But I've already kind of looked and saw that I have a stud right here. So I'm just going to put it right there in the stud. I know I have a stud right here, so I'm just going to drill right here into the stud. There we go. So now that we have our wall mount into the stud, this is going to slide here and drop down. Done. So it's able to hang on the wall just like that. So now if you want to store it, there again, kind of locks into place. Boom. There we go. Hides it out of place. If I need it, grab it out, go shoot some coyotes. So because YouTube's so funny with gun stuff, I'm not able to put a link directly from the video to this mount, but I'm going to put it on my Facebook page. I'll also put it on my X account. And then if you just Google HangAR Stealth Gun Mount, I'm sure this will pop up. But like I said, if you want a direct link, go to Facebook or X. Also forgot to mention that this mount is made in USA. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. And hopefully this keeps a happy wife, happy life. Good to go, guys.